Today, we're headed to the sneaker city of China, Jinjiang. They have thousands and thousands of sneaker factories, and 1 in 3 people work in the sneaker industry. Pretty excited to check it out. I'm here at the train station in Shenzhen, about ready to go pick up my ticket. Just a quick note from the future here. I shot this on my last trip to China in December before coronavirus was the thing. I've been back in the US for a few months now, and I've been in isolation for the past month. So with that, let's get back to the adventure. There's a lot of car shops. I don't know, I hope this isn't a wasted trip. I really wish I could figure out where the industrial market was, the industrial materials market. I think there is one here. It's supposed to be like 10 blocks, but I have no info on where that is, just that it exists. So keep looking around. Okay, that might actually be a shoe factory. There were definitely sewing machines and something thick being sewn. Let's keep looking around. It looks like some shoelaces back in the back. Yeah, little bits and pieces, but it's like, now it's motorbikes, so, oh, well. Those look like silk screens for shoes, for like the swooshes and stuff on the sides. Part of why I wanted to make this video is just to show you what the process is of making a Strange Parts video. And a lot of it is just wandering around being very lost and not knowing at all where I should be going or who I should be talking to. And this is the start of that process, which I often don't show on camera because I feel like an idiot. Definitely, I'm not the only one who thinks I'm an idiot. I saw a couple factories, one material supplier, but like nothing super meaty to dig into. So I started looking at the map more, and I found on the map, a little ways from here, Jinjiang International Shoes and Textile City. So I'm gonna grab a car over there. 谢谢你啊. This place is massive. We are definitely in the right place now. I'm not totally crazy. This isn't a total waste of time. Oh yes, lots and lots of leather showrooms. Oh yeah, okay, like fake leather. I'm gonna dig in here. Amazing. This is like terms of service on shoes. This is really cool. There is so much amazing material in here. Just all the sparkles and I want to make a pair of shoes now. I might have to get some of this. 我想要一两件3米这个 ，yeah 可以。这个颜色这个呢？还有这个yeah 多少钱？ 1米？这个50块钱。50。哦 ，OK， yeah， yeah， 可以。这个多少钱？差不多50块钱。OK， 这个一样的，这两个是一样。Yeah， 这个 OK。我叫人帮你。Yeah， 好。Expensive, like 50, I think. 你好。
你会说中国话？要哪个色？
我想要3米这个。
这个哦。
和3米这个。和3米这个。多了。这个对。好，谢谢。
猫一下。
哦，没事，不要。Yeah, okay, 谢谢啊。I might have made a little error in judgment here. They want to give me packing materials, but I wanted to fold it up differently, because reality is I don't have space in my luggage for that. I didn't realize exactly how big 3 meters of shoe fabric is. Okay, I gotta go find a corner and fix my my mistakes here. It doesn't even fit in my backpack. Yeah. So, I think I have to go back to the hotel now to drop these off because I don't know what else to do. This is ridiculous. What have I done? Okay, I went back to the hotel and dropped off all that fabric that I impulse bought, and material, I guess, it doesn't even really count as fabric. Right now, I think I just need to explore some more and see everything there is to see here. It'd be a really good idea to come up to the second floor, which is an entire different city. I'm on the second floor, I promise. There is everything we were walking around down below. I guess it's kind of like, I've seen this before in China, it's kind of like a car park construction, but like with roads and painted lines and shops. It's very strange. I'm seeing a lot of fabric, not seeing, or a lot of material, I guess I should say, a lot of, I don't even know if fabric's the right word, but like a lot of the things for the upper half of shoes. I'm not seeing a lot of like laces or soles or anything like that. Now we're getting into like knit uppers. Those are really nuts. I don't quite understand how they're made, but it seems like there's a few shops in here that have them. What the heck is cork for? Oh, maybe the outside of like women's shoes? Like the heels part? 我会说一点点。
可以的，一点点。需要什么？你们做什么运动鞋？刚刚改我要你赢就回来了。
I don't know what sort of argument they were having. I think they were having an argument about who was gonna have to speak English with me, which wasn't really required, but you know, it's the thought that counts. I don't know. I did kind of want to look. They had some finished shoes with those uppers, so I think we're getting into like fly knit territory. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know anything about shoes, but I'm learning. So it's not just a roll of fabric now. It's like the shoe swatch. And there are like different knit designs and patterns and stuff. Huh. This doesn't look like shoe fabric at all. This is like really thin. Oh, but it's heavy. I don't know. Weird. No, where does that go on a shoe? And now I'm going down to a floor that doesn't look finished at all. See if I can get out of here. Oh, no, it's still got stuff on it though. Lots and lots of shoelaces. There's some sort of white sandy looking thing spread all over the ground here, and then she's scooping it up. File that under China mysteries I don't understand. Oh, I bet it's to make the floor all like sparkly and nice. Got it. Bye bye. Bye bye. All the like tape. All the different widths of elastic. I'm really liking this strapping, like this webbing. This is like an overmold. An overmold. Yeah. Do you speak English? Just a little. Yeah. I think you speak more English than I speak Chinese. I don't at all know what I'm doing here. I'm trying very hard to pretend like I am an experienced buyer, which is probably the wrong strategy in terms of learning. But I'm too chicken to admit that I don't know anything at all. But I'm learning a little bit as I walk around. I'm starting to figure out how shoes are made. I think maybe the next thing, if I was serious about making a pair of shoes, would be to take a pair of shoes apart and see what that looks like. What is this? Oh, this is all the buckles and stuff. Oh. All right, for like bags and things. Okay, I kind of really want to go in there, but there's nobody in there, and I feel like it's weird to walk in a closed door if there's nobody in the shop. So, all right, so I'm starting to figure it out. It seems like here is mostly about the upper half of the shoe, the non-rubber part. I did see a few shops selling like drums of rubber, but I'm surprised that, I don't know, I'm surprised not to see any samples or anything. I want to see all of the parts in one place of a shoe, so I understand how it all goes together. I'm starting to get it. Found more escalators. Let's go down. I'm gonna get something to drink. That one. I don't think my face is registered. Ugh. Well, that definitely tastes strange. Guava? It's really sweet. Well, I think that about does it for this time. The markets are starting to get quiet. It's getting late in the day. I'm ready to get off my feet. I bought a bunch more ridiculous fabric. And yeah, I have the sudden urge, or maybe not so sudden urge, to build some shoes. So I need to learn more. I need to do some more research. But yeah, thanks for joining me on this weird scouting mission to Jinjiang, the sneaker city of China. And I don't know, we'll see where this goes. I'm Scotty from Strange Parts. As always, stay tuned for more adventures. I'll see you again soon.